Good morning, ladies. Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this fine Thursday? Let's call it Thursday. Pretty sure that's what it is. I am cruising. I'm cruising to work. This is a commute. This is really happening. It's goddamn 7:30 or something like that, maybe 8. I'm running a little late, I'll be honest, but it's okay. I actually was expecting rain because on the forecast it says rain and like all day, 70% chance of rain all day. And just now I looked outside and it was starting to sprinkle a little bit, so I hopped on a bike and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get there super fast. I'm gonna get there super fast before the rain starts to pour, and there doesn't seem to be any rain at all right now, so I'm not really sure how that works, but I'm not gonna complain about no rain. And later today I would imagine it's definitely going to rain, so I'm gonna deal with some of that, which I don't mind. A little rain vlog, it never hurts anyone. Look at this person. The Via stops in the middle of the crosswalk. What a weirdo. Freaking taxis. Look at him. Like, who does that? That is not savagery. Savagery left, savagery right. It's fine. Via is like a service like Uber. But it's kind of like for a community ride. It's for you share a ride with somebody. It's a ride share program. And I'm running these new Bridgestone tires, which I do very much like. So far, but it's hard for me to even say that because I don't really have much experience with them. I was told that the first 60 miles you have to take it easy and, you know, just break them in a little bit. The problem is that in New York City, it's like there's no place to carve. There's no place to really do anything like that. So I'm literally just like going up and down streets and on the BQE and whatnot because it's too cold to fiddle poop. What are you fucking doing, you dumb? Why would she do that? Did you see that? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to edit that out. I hate saying the word, but it's just that ridiculous that she would freaking start crossing the street and then stop and then get confused. Wow, I'm so shocked that people go when the light turns green. Fucking hell, that's how accidents happen, when people fucking not commit and dilly-dally. I really hope I remember to edit out the C word, because I'm not a big fan of that word, especially when I said it so snappy. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, back to the tires. So I need to warm these puppies up, and after 60 miles I'm supposed to get a good heat cycle in them, and it's like, I don't even know what the hell that means, to be honest. Obviously I know I'm supposed to like run them hard and warm them up and blah blah blah, but it's just like, I don't know if that's something I can possibly do. Come on. Fucking A. So we'll see how the whole heat cycle bonanza will work. Man, pedestrians in New York City, I just don't give a fuck. They're just going for it. Kind of like anybody else, I guess. Oh, look at this truck. This truck is dope. I love it. It's fucking awesome. Man, oh man. I feel really disappointed. I gotta stop wasting so much time on feelings. Too many feelings going on. I'm very, for somebody who is so sensitive. I sure do like to throw some strong words around. I know, this whole vlog is gonna be about like that lady and whether she deserved to be called a cunt. She scared me though, you know? When the person is like, oh my god, and then they try to go back, you know, and backtrack, it's just like, bruh. It's like her reaction versus mine. Who will win? Luckily me. Ladies and gents, I think we're back. Had to cut a little part out because there's nothing good to see. And now we're almost in Dumbo. I'm actually curious about this new Tomb Raider movie. I do like a good Tomb Raider flick, and she seems to be reimagined. Gonna go to the right here. And just take it easy. A busy day ahead. A lot of things to handle and get done. Look at this traffic. Holy cheeseburgers. Look at all this shit. Everybody and their mama is trying to go to the right. Maybe, but not this person. Not the person in the Malibu. I guess if you buy a car named Chevy Malibu, you can be expected to drive fast. It's totally fine. 6 Celsius. Not so bad. 43 degrees. It's a little bit chilly. I'm actually surprising myself because I'm not wearing tons of thermals today. I'm just wearing a normal amount. So we'll see. We'll see if how that will work out later in the day when it's pouring rain. We shall see. And my silly ass still doesn't have waterproof gloves, so I will definitely get wet, without a doubt. Without a doubt. And it's okay. Another beautiful day in paradise. Paradise of Dumbo. I'm really happy that things are turning towards the spring and summer, because I'm really over being cold. I don't enjoy it anymore. Like I said before in one of the previous vlogs, the honeymoon is over. The honeymoon is over. It's time to be warm and relax on the bike, as opposed to freaking work the core and flex and stay try to stay warm. Look at this guy. You gonna go through, or you just gonna freaking stop there, you silly Momo bird? Silly Momo bird. Why is FDR all purple? Who knows? Thursday pretty much means you can park any freaking where, which is a plus in my little book. Some spots here, there's some spots there. We'll find one. I'm not too worried. These cobblestones, I go slow over them because, you know, could park right here, but that car does not inspire confidence. Mitsubishi Galant, all beat up. Nah. This right here is a good spot, but we'll see what else we got. Yeah, we'll go over there. I like that spot better. I like this spot better.